This video is going to show you how to use keyboard shortcuts. I would highly recommend having the document how to use keyboard shortcuts next to you while you watch this so that you can see the screenshots of what I'm doing on the keyboard. If you want the keyboard shortcuts cheat sheet for a lot of options, you can click on Control Alt and the question mark and it will pop up and you can learn a ton of different ways to use shortcuts. If you would like to right click, you can hold down the Alt key and then press one time and it will show you the options. You can also press two fingers at the same time on the mouse pad and it'll do the same thing. For uppercase letters, you hold down the Shift key and start typing. There is not a caps lock button on the Chromebook keypad, so you would need to click on the Alt key and the search button at the same time. It turns on caps lock, see that notification in the corner, and now I can start typing and I don't have to hold down the Shift key the whole time. To take caps locks back off, you're going to click on the Alt and search one more time and it turns it off. If I want to cut an image or a text on my screen, I can highlight it and then do Control X. If I want to paste it, I can do Control V, and copying is Control C. If I want to split screen my computer, I can click on the Alt button and then the left bracket. The brackets are right above the Enter key to the left a tiny bit. So I'm going to hit that left one and my screen goes all the way to the left. If I want to pull out a tab to the right side, I can just do that and it will go to the right. If I need to delete, there's no delete button on the keyboard, so I just put my mouse where I want and then I would hold down the Alt button and then use the backspace key to delete. To undo my last action, I can do Control Z and my letters come back and then starts to do whole words. And the coolest one that I saw was if you do Control Shift and T, it will open up whatever the last tab is that you had. So let's say I have It's Learning open and I X'd it out. I can do Control Shift T and it will get me right back to where I left off.